Hey, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Elias, and I'm here for this series of FAQ or Chatmatic frequent asked questions. Okay, and as always, it's your guy Elias Simon. So today I wanted to be able to share a story that I had. Recently, I was working on a client project, and I logged into the client's account. Okay, and for some reason I could not be able to locate the Facebook page on Chatmatic, so I logged into the hub and I couldn't be able to connect some Facebook pages. So I was like, what was happening? So I had to find a way, and that's why I decided to be able to do this training. So in this training, I'll basically be trying to answer that question. So that's the main focus of this presentation. And if you want to be able to learn more about what you do, our training programs, just jump to www.amcsolutions.uk/ecom offers. You'll be able to get a free software that you can be able to do so much with it, and also we'll be able to enroll you to our training program. So go ahead and be able to jump in there. You'll be able to get so much value because, yeah, it's awesome. So the thing is that what are you supposed to be able to do if you want to be able to add a page and you can't be able to find it in your Chatmatic account? Okay, so my experience was that this client had like several accounts. They had like Facebook pages, and when I tried adding because you must add the Facebook page to be able to after adding the page, you need to be able to connect them with workflows. So the question was that what am I supposed to be able to do with that? So that was a challenge. And good enough, I was able to figure it out. So in this presentation, I'll be able to answer that question. Okay, so there's several reasons for that, or it's either you didn't give enough permission to Chatmatic to be able to access your Facebook, or two, when you are connecting your Facebook account, some pages were left out, and that's why you aren't able to locate the pages. Okay, so what you need to be able to do, you need to be able to go to www.facebook.com/settings, a question mark tab, equals business, then there's the lower hyphen, the hyphen, there's the upper hyphen and lower hyphen tools. I'll be able to link this link at the bottom of this presentation so that you can be able to see it. Okay, then after going there, you need to be able to allow all permissions to Chatmatic, or allow permission to Chatmatic. Then go ahead and sign out or disconnect Chatmatic from your account, then sign up again and see if all pages will be able to show up. So I'll be able to show that practically in this presentation. So what you need to do, guys, is that you need to come to that link that I just talked about, and I will just go a step back here and just show you the link once again. Okay, so the link that you need to be able to go to is www. Okay, that right here. Okay, so the link is www. I just copy and I'll paste. Okay, so that's a link. Just check it below here, and it will be able to open your apps, the apps that have got permission on your Facebook, and you see all the apps that you have access to. So once you see those apps, what you need to be able to do, click on Chatmatic, and Chatmatic does not have enough permissions. You won't see all these blue buttons here. Okay, so you find that some pages are being left out, others are on, so that will be a problem. Okay, but now what you need to be able to, you can either give permissions to all of the applications, or what you can do, you can come here and remove Chatmatic completely. Okay, then after removing, click on save. I won't be able to remove in my case, but remove it. After removing it from, nothing is good to be able to lost. All your workflows will still be safe, just in case you've got any questions. So after removing it, what you need to do, come back to Chatmatic, and here, all right, you need to be able to you can either disconnect this page, but what I will do in this case, I'll come to this page, click on the page that are already connected, then come to settings. Okay, then after settings, come to admins, and there you'll be able to disable the page. Okay, so you can be able to disconnect the page. So after disconnecting, next come here and log out. Okay, so after logging out, you're now done. So you have disconnected Chatmatic from your Facebook, and now you're supposed to log in afresh. So what you do, you click on connect with Facebook, and automatically to be able to ask for permission. It won't be able to jump directly like in my case, but to be able to ask for permission, give all the permissions and allow all the pages. Okay, that's a secret, because unless all the pages have been allowed, it won't be able to work. So allow all the pages, then after you have allowed all the pages, then you can be able to add the pages that you want, and you'll be able to finish that process. Okay, then the next, after you've done that, what you need to do is okay, so go ahead and sign up afresh and be able to connect. Then after you've connected, you can be able to add the pages that you want. Remember that you've got access to 250 subscribers on every page, so you can be able to add all your pages and only upgrade when you have got more than 250. Okay, so to learn more about our training programs and services that you offer, I think that actually that's the process. I think that was helpful, but to be able to learn more about what you do and how can be able to help your business, I want you to go to www.mcsolutions.uk/ecom offers. The link is www.mcsolutions.uk/ecom offers, and there you'll be able to get a free application. You can be able to get a free e-commerce store, free funnel pages, and yeah, you'll be able, once you sign up, we'll be able to give you access to more trainings on Chatmatic. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that solves your questions. Remember to subscribe for more options, because we'll be bringing more trainings on this platform. Otherwise, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.